This is the fourth and final video from our castle wall series. In this tutorial we'll learn how to use the perforation machine step to create the castle wall door. Next we'll use the at machine step, convert to flip up feature to create the drawbridge. Then we will learn how to set up the fold sequence order. And finally we'll position and fold our design in 3D. Let's get started.
Okay, we're going to finish up our project now, and if you haven't noticed already, let's go back to 3D, and we've got it working pretty good, but there is a problem, and that problem is that we don't have the draw gate or the door that's in the front, so we need to work that out. So let's unfold it. We'll go back to construction view, and we need to put this door in. We're going to use a little bit different method than we've used before. This one we just kind of cut out the door with moving and adding points. So this one, what we're going to do is we're going to double click on this, the bottom section, because we want it to fold out with that, and we're going to add a machine step, and we want to add a perforation. So we'll click on that, and we'll start right here, bring it up to there. That gives us our doorway. We'll click on the top to arch it like the other one, and at the line we'll do a curved line. I don't know what happened there. We want to, that line, curve the line, and it's not curving for me. There it goes. So I just had to click on it, and I'm going to undo that so that I can try and get that line up there a little bit higher. So at line, curve line, I had to hold it down, that's what it was. Okay, so there's my curve line. Now what I want to do is I want to go to one of my points, and I'm going to say at machine step, click on that. I want to convert to a flip up, so let's convert to a flip up, and now when we go look at it in 3D, it should open out, and there we are. We got our hole through there, and our whole thing is folding up correctly. And there's one last thing we could do if we want to make this a nicer presentation. Go back to the construction view, and what we're going to do is set up our folding patterns so that it kind of folds together nicely. Our fold sequence here, we can set up to fold our parts so that they don't all just fold at one time. And so I think what we'll do is we'll leave all of our glue flaps on one so that they just fold up automatically. The next thing we want to fold up is this bottom, so we'll put that on 2, and then we'll fold, let's do, this one is 3, we'll do this one as 4, and we'll make this 5, and this one 5 as well, and that should be good enough. Oh, and our main panel, I think what we want to do is not fold it at all, so we'll set it to 0 so that it doesn't fold up at all. And then let's have a look in 3D. Now we need to set our stages up to at least 5, but we'll set it further, and let's set this to 0 so we can get things set up the way that we want. Let's see. Let's just position it like that. Let's press our play button, and then we can see what things fold up. Now, as you can see, it's folded up kind of away from us. So if we want to, we can move this around some, set it up how we want. And the reason it's not moving for me, I believe, is because we set that 1 to 0. There we go. Here's a better view of it. So let's unfold it. Now we can hit our play button again and watch it fold up. And you can play with these sequences and stuff and get it to where you want it to fold up a certain way. And I think when we did that last one, let's set it to 90 again and see where it puts us at. That might be a better solution there. So we want it to end there. I'm going to do this one last time just so we can see it, and then I'll hit the play button and we'll watch it fold up. That's kind of a good view of it, and that gives us the finished product, and that's it. That's how you do it. So hope this is a good group of lessons for you. Thank you.